or an Apple. Hello out there. So this is our week 35 preview, overview. Our schedule, our schedule is correct here. There's no only thing of note is our Art with Stella at 12:15. Fingers crossed there. Oh, today's Monday, so you had your music. Oh, yeah, you had music a while ago. Anytime it's a teacher meeting, that's just a reminder for me. Okay, and then here, as this is the where we're going to spend most of our time, most of our 4 minutes remaining. So the reading, excuse me, reading. My goal is to finish. I believe finishing Journey to Topaz this week by Friday. And there's if you go back here to the schedule shows you, yeah. So remember, students, odd number chapters, read those or listen and read at night, because we read listen to chapter 10 today, 12 tomorrow. So all those in between chapters, you'll have to read at home or reread if you haven't read it yet. Okay. The other thing that's different here is I've put all of the IXL lessons for reading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Notice that some of you, 4, 5, 8. I don't think anybody did compare contrast yet. So that's there. I've also added, this is character cards is from last week. This extreme weather fact cards. This is a new project, which I just started. So if you click and look at the sample, it should take you here. And this harkens back to when we did our all about hail, lightning, etc. So what Darn Dog did was he did a focus here on altitude. Actually, thank maybe Murphy for the assist here. What is altitude? It's a multiple choice question. So you draw a card and you ask your family, what is altitude? If they can answer it without a hint, that's 12 points. If they need a hint and you say, okay, I can give you multiple choice options, then you read them, what is altitude? Is it A, what goes up must come down? B, how far west or east something is? C, wind travels up? Or D, the vertical elevation of an object above the surface? Pretty easy to tell based on how scientific that is. Anyway, the correct answer is D, so it's highlighted. Now, if they still can't get it, then they can say true or false. And then you would say true or false. Altitude is the horizontal elevation of an object above the surface. Now notice what I did. I changed the word. Altitude is the vertical elevation of an object above the surface. So here, B is the right answer for all of these, but I do want you to mix up where the right answers are. And we're going to spend, if this is if you can't remember what your facts are, or, what is extreme weather, we'll help each other out this and next week. I do just want to have these done by the time you go home for the summer. So this is what Darn Dog chose to do, number 31, notice. So when you go to File and make a copy, not only are you going to title it, your name and number, extreme weather fact cards, but I also want you to, if you don't do lightning, change it to hail, and then change this to hail. So that's it. There's other ways to do it. You could do it this way. So that's the extreme weather card project. What you're looking at here is, Darn Dog had fun with this one. So this is the pricing for Gold Rush items. So butter, how much was that a pound? Rice, blanket, eggs. He didn't do so well here. So again, file, make a copy, rearrange the pictures so that they make sense, and also fill in the prices. If you don't remember the prices, I added it. No, not in reading. So if you don't have the prices, if you didn't get those written down in time, they are here. Okay, so click this. It should take you to, not that, but this. Oh, Giants are starting soon. So, yes, those are the prices. Beef, butter, blanket cheese, rice, blah, blah, blah. What you do then is not only do you have to enter the price per pound, um, I think coffee was $0.15 a pound. So not only do you have to do that, but you're going to go down here, and just like I did, or Don Dog did with rice, you have to do it with coffee. C-O, that's all caps, O-F-F-E-E. So in California, circa 1851, coffee costs $0.15 per coffee. I'm pretty sure it's pound, P-O-U-N-D. So how much would start off your family pretty easy? If it's 15 cents a pound, do 3 pounds. 3 pounds. How much would 3 pounds cost? And then you have to write the answer, right? So it's 15, 30, and 45. So you would do $0.35, right? AKA 45 cents. So give them 3 pounds. Notice for rice is $8 a pound. So I did half a pound is 4. 7 pounds, because 7 times 8, right? So 7 times 8 gives you how much 7 pounds cost. Always do the third one. Make it a challenge. For rice, I said 6 minutes. For rice, I said 3.5. So your family is going to have to do 8 times 3, which is $24. And then a half pound, we already know is $4. So 24 plus 4 is going to be 30. So, if your family gets all of them right, I thought it'd be cool if we let them have 12 points. Okay, so more on that tomorrow. If this is easy for you, great. The sooner you do this, remember you have to rearrange these pictures. Darn dog, you didn't match these photos up very well. I'm colorblind. He uses being colorblind as an excuse for everything. Okay, so that's that. Let's see, right? Guess so. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and last thing, Dreambox is over here. For math, instead of IXL, we're going to take a break from IXL, and instead we're going to do Dreambox lessons. So I would like you to go to Dreambox. When you arrive at Dreambox, you'll know it's an assigned activity because it has a little blue calendar in the corner. So the first one I left for you is gain familiarity with factors and multiples. Excuse me, tomorrow I'm going to give you a different Dreambox lesson. I'm a big fan. I think this is going to be a good thing for us to do since I'm increasing not just math, but there's also, so we have reading and math IXL. Sorry, reading and writing IXL. I thought it'd be good to do Dreambox for math just to mix it up. And again, I don't want you to spend more than 30 minutes total on any screen IXL Dreambox combined. Okay, so if you have any questions, email me or ask me tomorrow. Otherwise, those are the assignments for this week. So hope we're all doing well. Aloha and au revoir.